What are those? You hold my hand because you never seen a peacock before?
Wait, what is... Huh?
Turkey. Turkey.
Quack, quack.
You know you have great taste in fashion when even an ostrich wants your shirt.
Ở khu vực nhà điểu này tìm các mình cứ cho các bạn này ăn thoải mái đi. Mình cho các bạn này ăn đi mấy bạn.
Spin. Now. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
Eco-friendly and full of energy, this husky's got it all.
I'm trying to be nice.
Nine.
Look at this, folks. I assume the water is losing, clearly.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC depth.
Perfect example of, come on in, he won't bite.
Who let the dogs down? Look at the police chasing for this.
Caught on camera. Me singing in the shower. Ew, whose voice is that?
What are you doing? Off. No. Reverse. Reverse. Couché.
Trying to bite a swimming pool is peak Malinois logic. Okay.
Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay, kittens. Here. Here.
Why not there? This is betrayal documented. These dogs are high-drive working breeds. They move so they exist. Someone tell Officer Ney that those aren't giant orange carrots.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
And a
Yes.
People say training is hard. It's not just a tug of war, it's a silent sibling toy showdown. If that cat manages to work out without proper equipment, what is your excuse? Looks like Kitty's taking a break from his flying lesson. When they said think outside the box, but you're a husky and the box is literally a fence.
Benji, why you went out?
This is not a walk, this is a rom-com reunion scene.
It's contemplating it.
Goldie thinks the police car is just a new friend following them on a jog.
Oh my god.
The funny tornado.
Oh, how cute. This raccoon's snack attack. I'm coming, carrots.
Do the donkey face.
journey ends when he comes back with a muddy badge of honor. When the suspect's top speed is 45 miles per hour and they don't have a license plate,
Push him! Push him! Push him! Get him, lad!
when your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren, what my dog does when I'm doing all the chores,
Stay. 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 Ah! Sit. Stay. Stay. Go.
Four. All four though. All four though.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the most hilarious moments between the police and the animals. Because the earthy vibe is trending this year.
What fast food? This parrot is just inspecting this box for cleanliness. Spotless, right? And yummy too.
What are you doing?
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
Okay, sit. No, sit. 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 Good girl. No, sit. Sit. Good girl. No.
Oh well, it really took the entire precinct to catch one piglet. School of Professional Chomp teacher isn't going easy on the tuition.
Daniel Yore. Daniel Yore.
He's convinced he's a 100-pound border collie. The birds never stand a chance. My Belgian pup's got his socks on, ready for a mission.
It's a god alpaca.
The newest member of the K9 unit looks a bit different, but he's got the spirit.
Look at those teeth. Oh, he's actually going to block us. Blood run.
No, brave girl.
Oh, baby. Oh, good girl.
I feel like she's gonna be a lot like her dad.
Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently.
You were busy. Look at all your socks.
Where'd you go?
Marnie.
Come on. Money. Come, Money. Money. Come. Come.
Turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory.
Species doesn't matter. What matters is that they both love to run around to bond.
Folks, this vocalization is called braying.
Sago.
我累了。哎呦我操！
Here comes the furry Aladdin and his magical carpet. Hold on tight and fly!
After a long shift, furry officers need rest, just like their human partners.
Curbside service. Good boy. Good boy.
Wasn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Ты что, совсем что ли? Сломал.
Well, looks like Dog's already writing a Yelp review in his head.
You got this. Oh, yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
Maligator.exe has stopped working due to excessive affection.
He went up there and he was coming back down towards us and he goes, run.
Come there. Yeah, let's go for a ride.
You're one bad mamma jamma.
The spirit of a dolphin, but the coordination of a blender, so splashy. This little guy's not running away, he's just coaching the officers on their cardio.
You okay, Jeremy?
They jumped. They really jumped.
Proof that some dogs clearly watched more Love these pups? Like and subscribe for more. See you soon.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Who wouldn't be afraid of Mum's flip-flops? Now he's running faster than the Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. When the staff said, "Make yourself at home," and I took it literally.
We'll be going back in. The turkey.
They made that. Isn't that cute? Did you make one?
It's gone. I don't know.
That's cute.
¿De esos dientes de porcelana?
Soy piraña. Están en el Amazonas.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog. I'm gonna eat you.
Trying to catch up, buddy? Hey? Yeah.
It's okay.
You got a cage? No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage car.
He's so cute.
This is a private dining experience. Friends need distance sometimes. Where can I buy tickets to this magic show? Action movies than others.
Little goat guy. Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is.
Get in the car. Yeah. Come on over here.
Despracar Campo Verde ya en estos momentos.
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude. Go forth and sin no more, Mr. Bear. Your family is waiting for you.
Buds. Okay. Come on. Good boy.
Part of the job, posing like best friends together. Who needs a chaise lounge when you have a gentle giant? Sign that your pup skipped class about frisbee at dog school.
Hey, Cash. Hi. Did you miss me?
You get to set the traffic rule if you are cute enough.
I get it. Yep.
Sir, you're being evicted for excessive jumping around our house.
Nope. That may be a little.
Grinning how Donkey flexes his teeth to his last breath.
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
Un animal silvestre que se encontraba cruzando la vía, pudiendo ser atropellado por.
The most adorable police escort in history. I hope the officers will get paid more.
They say chase your dreams, so I chose the floating flower.
Someone didn't get the black tie only memo.
So mad when I go say hi to that horse. Are you ready? Hi, Theo. Hi, Theo. Hi. Oh, okay. Relax. Rocco.
Yeah. No. There were some big ones.
Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
I bet the raccoon definitely watched Mission Impossible before this. Cutting onions? Jez, no problem. Sous chef got it covered. Someone needs to tell him his lap access subscription has expired. This is the most adorable stalking move I've ever seen. Legend has it, he's still running to this day.
Out. Sorry. Out. Ah, así. Sorry. Yes. Yes, good boy.
You can't hide anything from a Mal. Are you snacking without him? Kissing 32 times a day. Doctor says it's love. Receiving a 5G signal from a treat bag opened 3 neighborhoods away.
Oh, he's biting me.
The ultimate all-you-can-eat buffet, but the calories keep melting. With some leftovers. Rule number 1, the one with the most balls wins. Game over. This is what happens when a Belgian dog gets 1% bored.
Oh my goodness, Rover. You're so cute. Why did you grow up? I just put you down for a nap and now your ears are up.
Hey, where do you live?
He's upset because he had to share the back seat with some merchandise. You're upset? Okay, look at me. What? You still got boogies?
What's going on?
Looks like she's officially been claimed by the pack.
To the baby, say good morning to the baby. Oh, I say good morning to those baby toes. Dip them in some ranch, that's great.
Here we go. Take a bite of it.
Let's grow. What?
Dog logic. If no one sees me being weird, did it even happen? Meet the giver of kisses. He's not the receiver.
Watch that one flap on the side.
Alright, hold their knee, check a bottle.
All dads indeed go from the no dog to personal flight instructor. I bet this one's about to lead a very tiny, very adorable revolution.